Tell, what do you know about home science?
Like home science mainly about like a woman and her needs, and
Yeah. Yes.
like like my grandma said she's a BSc home science. Like
From,
she has said
from which college
like
grandma learned the
she
subject?
like which college?
Which college? Do you know?
Vimla.
Vimala College. Okay, it's in Thrissur, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Then,
She have told like
yeah, it's a very good.
uh, nutrition and about fabric, then some resource and like so
Yeah.
many factors. Every girl, like every woman and her needs.
Not only the girls, but also in this scenario, boys also need to learn what is home science, right? In North Indian states, the schools offer the home science for boys also. Lots of students, they opt home science in North India. Okay. Okay. In home science, we have food science and nutrition. As Reena say, we have food science and nutrition. It's a mixture of subject. Okay. I will give a light introduction. It's a mixture of subject with nutrition, some amount of cooking is there, and it's about a therapeutic diets. Do you heard that? What is therapeutic diet? If someone in our family have diabetics or not. If have a diabetics, we prepare the food in accordingly, right? We prepare the food according to the diabetic person. So in the food science and nutrition, we are going to learn how to prepare the food for various diseases. Is it clear? Okay. And then we have child development or otherwise human development. Hmm? And then resource management, some amount of fashion, and then fabric and apparel. Is it clear? All these comprises the home science. This is the first thing you need to know about. Okay. Meghna, please smile. Why are you so serious? Look, Sana, she is very pleasant in class. Okay. Reina too. Try to be pleasant. Hmm? Okay. So, do you know why I chose this subject? Yes or no?
No.
No. I chose this subject. I'm a dietitian. Do you heard? Do you heard that?
Yes,
Hmm?
yes.
Who's a dietitian?
Like who, I mean, who controls and how about the food we eat, like
Yeah. Speak, speak.
the food we eat, like in hospitals mainly have dietitians for many like for pregnant women and many other like many diseases. We are like special food they have diabetes, sugar. Yeah, we have different food.
Yeah.
Like they
Mainly,
control.
patients are seen in hospitals and some sports institutions. Some sports institution also have the dietitians. Okay, so I search how to become a dietitian in Google. Then the Google says home science is the first step. Then after my plus two, I choose home science. Then I searched about the colleges which offer the home science. Then I found St. Teresa's is one of the most college that offer the home science. St. Teresa's College. Do you heard that college?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I completed my degree and post-graduation from St. Teresa's College. And my post-graduation is in child development. It's also known as human development. So after completing my degree, I realized that dietitian is not my field. Then I entirely changed my dream into to become a teacher. That's why I choose child development. Okay, so home science has lots and lots of career opportunities. If you want to become a dietitian, that's okay. If you become a teacher, then it's fine. So there are lots and lots of opportunities. Okay, it's not about cooking and stitching. Sana, it's not about cooking and stitching. We have to learn a lot in this subject. Okay. For +1, you have 4 units. Do you have the textbooks? Sana have the textbook, I can see. Meghna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So all have textbooks. Did you go through the textbooks? Yes or no? Be honest. I'm not a strict teacher. We are a small team.
No,
Learn together. Okay.
no, ma'am.
Hmm? Meghna, do you go?
No.
No. Sana?
About the cooking part, I just go through.
Oh, you like cooking too much? You like it?
I like it.
Need to know how to cook. That's good. Reina, what about you?
No, ma'am, I didn't. I didn't.
That's fine. So for +1, you have 4 units. Hmm? And after completing the theory part, we have practicals too. So in this situation, we are going to learn theory as well as practicals. How many periods do you have today?
4.
4. Are you happy with that? Are you happy? Sana, are you happy with 4 hours?
No,
I can't hear. Are you happy?
no,
No. Then Reina, are you happy with 4 hours?
Not that happy, ma'am.
Okay. Meghna,
Not that happy.
so okay. So while I'm taking class, you need to write down the lecture notes. Okay. I need the lecture notes after the class. Is it clear? You have to write your notes. You have to file the things what I'm taking in my class. Okay. So are you ready to start? We have to complete a lots of portions. How many pages do you have? Turn, how many pages? Reina, how many pages?
400, ma'am.
Wow, 400. We are going to finish this whole textbook within 3 months. I think you are really happy today. Okay, do you have anything to ask me? Anything? Do you have anything to ask me?
Where you are coming from?
From Kodngalur. It's near. Anyone from Kodngalur? Near to Chairman Palli. Anyone from Kodngalur? No. So where are you from? Meghna, where are you from?
Vellangalur.
Vellagadu. Sana?
Madhilagam.
Madhilakam. Okay. Reina?
Sure.
Okay. So let's start with the first unit. Are you ready to start? Simply okay. Huh? Let's start. Okay. So in first unit, before the first unit, you have an introductory part. Take the page number 3. It's an introduction to home science. In this chapter, we are going to learn what is home science and what is an importance of home science for both boys and girls and different areas. I told you there are lots of areas in home science. Okay. So what are the areas of home science and the history behind home science? Reina says her grandmother. Reina, please repeat.
My grandmother, she studied BSc.
It's an old subject. This subject was started in 1932. 1932. Okay. So I will share the screen. Then we can move on to the first unit. Is the screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So the first slide is about what is home science. You need to learn that. Then only you understand the areas and the history behind home science. Okay. If someone asks you about what is home science, you need to answer. Right. So what is home science? As the name says, home science is the science that applied to home. That is home science. Home science is a science that applied to home. Okay. It's a simple definition. Today we are moving in slowly. Okay. Today we can move slow. So home science is a science that applied to home. In home, we have lots of tasks to complete, right? We have to cook, we have to clean, we have to manage our resources. So the science, the home has a science. That is home science. So home science is a science. This is the first definition. And the second definition is, it means an art of economically managing the family resources for the maximum satisfaction of all the members. So first definition says that it is a science. Sorry, the second definition says it is an art. So what does it mean? Meghna, what does it mean?
We have to arrange it in a way. So it means like art. The form we arrange a house or keep things, the things in a household.
Okay. So home science is a science and an art. It is an art of economically managing the family resources and for the maximum satisfaction of all the members. So we have to manage the resources. Which are the resources, Reina? Sana, please turn on your video. Reina, what are the
Ma'am.
resources? Resources do you have in your family? Resources.
Food,
Hmm?
like food, clothing,
Money.
money, then
Try. Let it be wrong.
mm, education. It's a
What?
resource. Like education is a resource. Yes, right.
The things that we need for education is resources. Time,
Okay.
money, energy. Okay.
Okay.
These all are resources. We have human resources and non-human resources. Sometimes we need human resources and sometimes we need non-human resources. So in home science, we are going to learn how to manage the resources. Sometimes we have limited resources in our home, right? We don't have all the resources. So we need to manage the resources. Then only you get the satisfaction, right? So we are going to manage the family. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? It's simple. Home science is a science and as well as an art. Art of managing how to beautify your home. Okay, that is the art. Then it is not just restricted to nutrition or food, but it covers the subjects like dietetics, economics, hygiene, clothing, sociology, community living, child development, and family relations. Okay, so home science includes food science and nutrition, some amount of sociology, community development, child development, hygiene. Just wait. Okay, so it is not only restricted to food science. Is it clear? Okay. Raina, is it confusing? No, it's simple, right? It's a simple. Home science is a science as well as an art. Some people have a misconception that it is only about cooking and stitching, but it's not like that. Okay, Sana is smiling. That's okay, dear. That's okay. Then the next point is it is a multidisciplinary subject related to the study of art and science. It is a multidisciplinary subject related to the study of art and science. So what is a multidisciplinary subject? Do you heard? You heard about the term multidisciplinary subject. Split that word. Sana, please try. Multidisciplinary. That is
It has multiples of
so,
it has many
many. Multi means
multiples, many.
oh, it's not clear. Can you little more louder?
Many.
Okay, fine, fine. So multi means more than one, right? So it says that multidisciplinary, which means something that combines several fields of study. What is multidisciplinary? Home science is a multidisciplinary subject. So it is something that has more than one subject. Is it clear? Multidisciplinary is something that combines several fields of study. Okay. So I will repeat it once again. Home science is the science that applied to home. And then it means an art of economically managing the family resources to the maximum satisfaction of the family members. Is it clear? Then it is not just restricted to the nutrition or food, but it also covers the subjects as dietetics, economics, hygiene, clothing, sociology, community living, child development, and family relation. Okay? Then it is a multidisciplinary subject. Home science is a multidisciplinary subject. Is it clear? Okay. So, open the first page of your textbook. What is the name? Is it home science?
Ecology and family sciences.
Human ecology and family sciences. Both home science and human ecology and family sciences are the same subject. It's another name for home science. It's your choice. It's home science or human ecology or family science. Is it clear? Then what is human ecology? You need to learn the terms of human ecology and family science. What is human ecology? Human ecology, it is referred to as a branch of biology that deals with relations between living organisms and their environment. Okay, human ecology is referred to as a branch of biology that deals with relations between living organisms and their environment. So, human ecology is a branch of biology. The word meaning of human ecology is What is the meaning of human ecology? It's a relationship between living organisms and the environment. In biology, the living organisms are, what are the living organisms, Meghna?
Humans.
Okay, here in our home science, the living organism means human beings. Okay, just the human beings. So human ecology is the relationship between humans and the environment. Okay, Reina, is it clear? Okay, then it is stated to be a complex of relationship between an organism and its environment. It's a yet another definition. Both definitions are same. Human ecology is something that relates the human beings and the environment. Okay. Sana, is it clear? Okay. If
Yes, ma'am.
doubts, you can ask me, okay? Since this is the first subject, since this is the new subject, you have doubts. Then what is family science? It deals with the interaction of human beings as members of their family and the society with the environment. Okay. So what is family science? It is a scientific study of family. What is family science? It is a scientific study of family. Is it clear? Human ecology is the relationship between human beings and the environment, and family science is the scientific study of family. Okay. Did you understand the word meaning of human ecology and family science? Meghna?
Yeah, and repeat once more.
Okay. So, home science is also known as human ecology and family science. Is it clear? Both are same. Next, we are going to look what is human ecology and what is family science. What is the meaning of human ecology and what is the meaning of family science? Human ecology means it is a relationship between human beings. In biology, it is living organism, but in home science, it is only the human beings. So, human ecology is the relationship between human beings and the environment. Okay, it is just the relationship, how the human being and our environment is connected. Environment means of our family, our peer group, school, your parents, all these are your environment. How we connected the human beings with our environment. Is it clear? Next, what is family science? Family science is a scientific study of family and how we make a interpersonal relationship. What is interpersonal relationships? Did you heard that? Did you heard the term interpersonal relationship?
A relationship between another person.
It's a relationship between another person. So what is interpersonal relationship? Interpersonal relationship is a relationship between another person. Is it clear? Okay, so family science also known as human ecology and family science is also known as
Scientific study of family and the relationship between living organisms and environment.
okay, fine. So home science and human ecology and family science are same. So Reina,
Yes, ma'am.
what is home science?
Home science is a applied home applied science.
Can you please repeat?
Home science is a art of economically managing resources to the maximum satisfaction of the like the family.
Wow, good, good. So Reina says it's an art. Meghna, then what's the next definition of home science?
It's an art. It's applied to home.
It's a science that applied to home. Okay. Reina, sorry, Sana.
It is a multidisciplinary subject.
Can you please repeat?
It is a multidisciplinary subject
So what is a multidisciplinary subject?
which has many fields.
Many fields, more than one field. Science and art. So it is entirely different two subject, right? Art and science is entirely different. That is called as multidisciplinary subject. Reina, what is another term for home science?
Biology or family science.
Human ecology and family science. Okay. Next, the history. History of home science. Okay. The very first home science college was set up in Delhi in 1932. In which year? 1932. The first home science college was set up in Delhi. Is it clear? The name of the college was Lady Irwin College. What's the name? Sana?
Ma'am?
Lady Irwin College. Okay. It started in 1932. That is before Indian independence. The first home science was set up before Indian independence. It's in 1932 in Delhi. The name of the college was Lady Irwin College. This is the college. You can see the picture, right? This is the very first home science college in Delhi. What is the aim to develop this college in 1932? The time is very special, right? During that time, women have limited opportunity for education. So, the leaders in that time built up a college for women to improve their education. And it's also for removing the social and educational inequality. For what purpose the first home science college was set up? To promote the women's education and to avoid the inequalities in the society. Both boys and girls, both genders need to learn, right? Not only the boys, girls also need empowerment. So during that time, the leaders set up a new college named Lady Irwin College to promote the women's education. Okay, is it clear? Then, a few eminent women were involved in conceiving the idea and establishing the first home science college in India were Sarojini Naidu, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay. These are the three women who worked behind to set up the very first home science college in Delhi. Is it clear? Who are they? Sana, please read. Please read the three names.
Sarojini Naidu,
Sarojini Naidu,
then Rajkumari Amrit Kaur,
Rajkumari Amrit Kaur,
Kamal Devi Chattopadhyay.
Kamala Devi
Chattopadhyay.
Chattopadhyay. Okay, is it clear? And during that time, I told you it's in 1932. So during that time, the British Viceroy was Lord Irwin. Who is the British Viceroy? Lord Irwin. And his wife's name is Lady Dorothy Irwin. Is it clear? During that time, the British rule, in 1932, it's British rule, right? So the the British Viceroy in India is Lord Irwin, and his wife name is Lady Dorothy Irwin. Is it clear? So they also supported to set up this college. Okay, not only the Indians, the British Viceroy like Lord Irwin and his wife also supported to build the very first home science college. Okay, hence what is the name of home science college, Meghna?
Lady Irwin College.
Okay, so here what's the name of British Viceroy? Viceroy's wife.
Lady Dorothy Irwin.
So it's both are similar, right? So hence the Lady Dorothy Irwin supported to build up the college. That's why the name of the college comes in her name. Okay, Lady Irwin College. Is it clear? Raina, do you have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. I will repeat it once again. Okay. The very first home science college was Lady Irwin College. Sana? So, okay. The first home science college was Lady Irwin College. It was set up in 1932 in Delhi. Okay. And the main aim was to promote the women's education. What is the aim of the college? To build up the colleges to promote the women's education. Sarojini Naidu, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur, Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay. These are the women who were behind for setting up the college. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear? Okay, then let's see in the next hour. Okay, okay, bye.
Thank you.